Hello, Vanakkam, and welcome back to yet another episode on your favorite Little Slaw YouTube channel. So, if you're curious about the technology that powers your favorite apps, games, and even major companies like Netflix and Adobe, then you are in the right place. And today we're going to kick off our favorite brand new series on Amazon Web Services or AWS. And in this first video, we will break down the fundamental functions and incredible benefits of the AWS cloud. And by the end of this video, you will understand what the cloud is and how AWS is a dominant force in the tech world. So firstly, what is the cloud computing? So exactly what is the cloud? So imagine instead of buying and maintaining your own powerful computers and massive storage drives, you could rent them from someone else over the internet. And that's the essence of cloud computing, and it's on-demand delivery of IT resources like servers, the storage, the databases, and networking with pay-as-you-go pricing. And the biggest player in this space is Amazon Web Services, the AWS. And AWS offers over 200 fully featured services from data centers all around the globe. And this allows the business of all sizes from startup to large enterprise to access the same powerful tools. And now let's talk about what you can actually do with AWS. So think of it like a digital toolkit with everything that you need to build and run an application. And here are some of the core functions. And first up, we have compute. So this is like the brain of your operation. So services like Amazon EC2 let you rent virtual servers and giving you the processing power you need to run your applications without buying the physical hardware. So you can choose how much power you need and adjust it whenever you want to. And next comes the storage. Every application needs a place to keep its data, and AWS provides services like Amazon S3, simple storage service, which offers highly scalable and durable storage for everything from website files to massive data sets. And then we have databases. For most structured data like user information or product catalog, AWS has managed database services like Amazon RDS, the relational database service, and DynamoDB. These services simplify the often complex task of setting up, operating, and scaling a database. And finally, let's touch on networking. So services like Amazon VPC, the virtual private cloud, which allow you to create your own isolated network in the cloud. And this gives you control over your virtual network environment and is crucial for security. And these are just the fundamental AWS provides you, and it also offers services for machine learning, data analytics, security, AI, whatnot. Anything is there. The big benefits of AWS is, why are so many companies moving to AWS cloud? And here are the key benefits, the big benefits of AWS. The first thing is the cost effectiveness. Think about the traditional way of doing things. You would have to spend a lot of money upfront on servers and data centers. And with AWS, you trade that large capital expense for a variable one. You only pay for the resource you actually use. And when you use them, this is a small game changer for startups and small businesses. And next comes the scalability and elasticity. So remember guessing how much server capacity you would need for your website. And with AWS, you don't have to guess anymore. All you're going to do is you can automatically scale your resources up or down based on the demand. And if an app suddenly goes viral, AWS can handle the spike in traffic. When things quite go down, you scale back down, so you're not paying for that anymore, what you don't need. And next comes the speed and agility. So in the past, getting a new server could take weeks. Yes, I know that. With AWS, you can provision hundreds or even thousands of servers in just minutes. And this incredible speed allows companies to innovate much faster, test new ideas, and get their products to market quicker. And the fourth benefit is, now let's talk about going global in minutes. So AWS has a massive global infrastructure with data centers all over the world, which means all over the world. This means you can deploy your application in multiple geographic regions with just a few clicks, and this reduces the latency for your user and provides a better experience no matter where they are. And next comes the unmatched security and reliability. So security is a top priority for AWS, and their infrastructure is built to satisfy the security requirements of highly sensitive organizations like global banks and military, and they offer a wide range of security tools to protect your data and applications. Plus, with their multiple availability zones, your application can be highly available and resilient to failure. So there you have it, a look at the fundamental functions and amazing benefits of the AWS cloud, and we have covered how it provides on-demand access to compute, storage, databases, and networking, and how its pay-as-you-go model, its scalability and global reach can empower your business. And you know what? This is just the beginning of our journey into AWS on Little's Law. In our upcoming videos, we'll dive deeper into specific services and even walk through some hands-on demos. Lots of hands-on demos. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Little's Law, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our training videos. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, it's bye-bye from Vasan Shanmugam and your favorite Little's Law YouTube channel. Take care and bye-bye.